Good morning everyone. Today's topic is electric supply system. You can see in the diagram, it is clearly mentioned that regarding the electric supply system, you know that electric power is generated at the power station that is fed to the step-up transformer. As this transformer supplies very high voltage at very low alternating current, and further it is carried to the transmission lines, transmission wires, to the substations near the consumer sites where customers have to use at their home or the factory site. And during the transmission, the power loss is also there, but little bit amount, means power loss decreases. After the transmission to substation, a step down transformer you can see here, which is used to convert the alternating voltage to a safe value, to a limit for the distribution as shown in the figure. In the table, you can see the wire coding with color, voltage and the purpose. Here phase wire P, that is live wire actually, and the neutral N, and earthing wire E. The color combination also mentioned along with the voltage and the main purpose. Next is the energy meter. You can see the diagram. Nowadays digital meters are used. It is a device through which connections are made to the distribution board through a main fuse and a main switch and placed on the front of your house. It is actually a kilowatt hour meter system that measures the energy consumed by a consumer, for which he is to pay the electricity bill to electricity board. Means it maintains a record how much electricity we are using at our place. Next is household electric circuit. In the diagram you can see that how the system operates. You know that every electrical appliance do their work independently, mean they do not depend on each other. For example, if a bulb can be lit without running the fan, if one appliances fail, it should not affect the working of other system. Means all appliances work at same voltage but without any interdependence. Electricity supplied at home at a voltage 400 volt to 220 volt through the three wires, that is phase, neutral and earthing wire, and distributed to various parts of house. You can see in diagram clearly the electrical lamps, tubes, fans, coolers, air conditioners, ovens, even the microwaves, refrigerator, they all are connected in parallel combination. As the circuit diagram of a particular room is mentioned here, and each appliance has a separate switch. In the phase, here you can see this is the switches for lamp, for fan, and the tube light, and the for electric iron. Means in a parallel combination, if any one appliance is just failed to work, then working of another appliance does not affect it.